Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Immigration YT-TV. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about Trump officials ask Supreme Court to uphold ban on birthright citizenship. The Trump administration has urged the U.S. Supreme Court to back its executive order ending birthright citizenship. The video reignites one of the most contentious debates in American immigration law. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. The Trump administration has formally asked the U.S. Supreme Court to uphold its controversial executive order that seeks to end birthright citizenship in the United States. The order, issued on President Donald Trump's first day back in office in January, aims to deny automatic citizenship to children born to undocumented migrants or individuals residing in the U.S. on temporary visas. Legal roadblocks and nationwide injunctions. Almost immediately after being signed, the executive order was challenged in federal courts. Judges in Maryland, Massachusetts, and Washington state issued nationwide injunctions blocking the order from taking effect. These rulings emphasized that the measure directly conflicts with the U.S. Constitution and could cause irreparable harm to families. Despite these setbacks, Trump officials continued to press their case, arguing that federal judges had overstepped their authority in blocking presidential action. Justice Department argues national security at stake. On Friday, the Department of Justice filed an appeal urging the Supreme Court to reverse the lower court decisions. In its filing, the DOJ claimed the injunctions undermined border security and granted what it described as the privilege of American citizenship to individuals who were not lawfully entitled to it. The administration framed the issue as a matter of sovereignty and national interest, stressing that unchecked birthright citizenship incentivized illegal immigration. The 14th Amendment at the center of the debate. At the heart of the legal battle lies the interpretation of the 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. The amendment clearly states that all persons born or naturalized in the United States, and subject to the jurisdiction thereof, are citizens. Opponents of Trump's order argue that this language leaves no room for exceptions. However, the administration contends that the phrase "subject to the jurisdiction thereof" excludes children born to parents who are not lawful permanent residents or U.S. citizens. Supreme Court's role in shaping the outcome. In June, the Supreme Court ruled that federal judges could not universally block presidential orders, though they could still issue narrower injunctions for plaintiffs who brought cases before them. Now, the DOJ is urging the court to settle the constitutional question in its upcoming term, which begins on October 6. The outcome could have sweeping implications for immigration law and constitutional rights. Demographic impact and migration policy concerns. According to Pew Research, approximately 250,000 babies were born to unauthorized immigrant parents in 2016, a sharp decline from the 2007 peak. Yet by 2022, the number of U.S. citizens born to such parents had grown to 1.2 million. The Migration Policy Institute projects that eliminating birthright citizenship could significantly reshape demographics, potentially raising the number of unauthorized immigrants in the U.S. to 4.7 million by 2050. Trump's stance on deportation and family unity. President Trump has been vocal about his belief that children of unauthorized immigrants should not be considered U.S. citizens. In a December interview with NBC's Meet the Press, he stated that children born in the United States to undocumented parents should be deported alongside their families. "I don't want to be breaking up families," Trump remarked. "So the only way you don't break up the family is you keep them together and you have to send them all back." The Supreme Court's ruling will determine whether birthright citizenship remains a constitutional guarantee or faces unprecedented restrictions. Its decision is expected to reshape immigration policy and the future of countless families in America. That is all for today, in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later, in the next video. Till then, take care.